Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get your 16 keys daily on the 4 games available on Hamster Kombat. So the first thing to do is to launch this Hamster Tools key generator bot. You'll find the link in the description. So once you launch the bot, you'll be asked to subscribe to the Hamster Tools channel. Once you've joined the channel, tap Tools to launch the key generator. So this is the key generator. You can generate keys for the bike game, clone game, cube game, and train. So to generate your keys, tap on the generate button and wait for a few seconds for the keys to be generated. Once the keys are generated, it will look like this. So tap the copy icon beside the key to copy it. So in this case, I'll be copying the first one. So I tap on it. Now go back to your Hamster Kombat bot. Make sure you're on the exchange tab. Tap on the keys button here and paste the code here. Now tap redeem to redeem your code. Now my code has been redeemed. So copy the other 3 codes and redeem them. To get keys for the other game, switch to the next tab by tapping on any of these tabs. In this case, I'll be switching to the clone tab, so I tap on it. Next thing, tap generate to generate keys for this game and wait a few seconds for the keys to be generated. So once the keys are generated, tap the copy icon to copy each of the keys. So I tap on the first one. I'll go back to your Hamster Kombat bot on the exchange tab. Tap the key button, paste the key in the text box and tap redeem. So do that for the other keys. Same thing for the cube game. So I switch to the cube tab and tap generate to generate the keys. Once the keys are generated, tap the copy icon to copy each of them and redeem them in your Hamster Kombat bot. On your exchange tab, tap on the key button, paste the codes and redeem. Do that for the other codes. Once you're done with this, move to the other game, which is the train game. Tap generate to generate the keys and wait for a few seconds. Once the keys are generated, copy and paste as usual. So I copy the first one, paste, redeem. So now I can go to games and check that all my keys have been redeemed. So you can see 4 out of 4 on all of these games. So guys, that is how to get your 16 keys. You don't need to install or watch ads on any of these games to get your keys. Just launch the keys bot, wait for a few seconds for the keys to generate, copy and paste it in your Hamster Kombat bot to redeem your keys. If this video has helped you, like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you have any issues, ask for help in my Telegram group. The link to the group is in the description. Join my Telegram channel for more Hamster Kombat updates, crypto airdrops, tips and tutorials. So many of you may be wondering how I've gotten so much PPH. I uploaded a guide several weeks ago explaining how I did it. I even shared a Notion template. So if you're interested, check out the template, populate it with your cards with the guide in the tutorial, and it will show you the best cards to buy at any point in time. This is still the season of Telegram airdrops, so check out the bonus section of this video description and sign up on some of the hottest Telegram airdrops today. So keep redeeming your Hamster Kombat keys and boosting your profit per hour. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.